going on YouTube? Murderkid's back here. Got the SI, Saab, and 328. All right, let's go. What's going on YouTube? I just wanted to give you guys a quick lineup tour of what cars we got in front of me. Kind of whipping it right now. But I'm glad everyone's here. Got some Gatorade. There they are all the way up there. I was trying to put my camera on and I was yielding to some guy. So we are back again in the BMW 328xi. This is a 2008 E90 generation. And yeah, I just have it in drive right now. I don't even really put it in sport mode, but I might have to keep up with the boys. But this route is so nice, and it's a beautiful day out, like absolutely beautiful. And yeah, we're just cruising here. But there's a closed section of this road. It's pretty tough to go on. There they are, all the way up there. Let me give it some gas. Handles so nice, guys. This is sport mode. That's not my exhaust. That's the Honda. But man, that car is sweet, guys. I'm gonna do a video on his car soon. But I just gave you guys a little performance of the E90. This thing's quick. This thing is quick. And yeah. Give it a nice pour here. I love the sound, like the RPM when it goes up. It's very like, I love that naturally aspirated inline six engine. It just sounds really good. One of my favorite features in this car is definitely the sport mode, like the way it's positioned in the handles. And then it's just very nice. I love how the paddles, the ways these work. So to upshift, I pull towards me, and to downshift, I push with my thumb right here. So I can be one-handed, have my hand up right here. Gives you a lot of control of the car. And in sport mode, the transmission, it only stays manual. So it's literally like you're driving a manual, but you're using wow, that guy was going pretty fast near people. Now M3, M2, just look at this road, beautiful. Wow, this road's not that well paved, but the suspension handles very well. I need to go to my mechanic. I gotta tighten some bolt or something. Something's squeaking. on my car, so I'm gonna do a video on that. Probably gonna do some DoorDash. Might do a DoorDash vlog. See how that goes. That'd be a fun video. Oh my gosh, the handling on this car is so good. And the naturally aspirated engine, like when I press on the pedal, it just instant, like goes. It's just a different feeling. And to talk about the future also, like Tesla, I have yet to drive a Tesla or be in one, really, like driven. I've been inside of one at the mall, but I need to be like in motion. But I think I am of age to test drive. I just turned 21 and recently. My bad. I'm trying to talk and I'm trying to, you know, whip the BMW at the same time. So it's like a lot of stuff's going on right now. And I got my camera recording. But anyways, guys, thank you for all the love and appreciation. You guys are honestly the best. Smash that like button and subscribe to my channel if you guys are new. My name is Murderkiss. I'm just out here grinding. I gotta figure out why I named Murderkiss that name. I came up with it, Murderkiss, and that's a sick nickname. Absolutely sick nickname. I love it, and I hope you guys love it too. But we are out here cruising. Look at the farm animals. Get some gas right here. Never been down this road before, so this is like a live on YouTube type thing. Never been down this road, so gonna take it easy. Fly down right here. God, I love this car in the back roads, man. Absolutely amazing. The all-wheel drive system, the X-Drive. I wish I could take my viewers on a test drive. I wish you could be like where my stuff is. Excuse that mess, but it's all my camera equipment and stuff. That's how I make these videos. Be sure to check out some of my clips. I'm gonna be posting some cool clips that I've taken also behind the scenes. It's gonna be really fun. And yeah, guys, just help my channel out by liking this video. Subscribe to my channel if you guys are new. Much love to all my you know, reoccurring viewers. Thank you so much, and continue to have some fun and entertainment. Well, guys, thank you for watching. This is Murderkiss. Have a good one. Peace.